To do market research and find out who buys what you sell, and to help buyers find you when they're doing market research, you want to know your PSC codes. In this video, I walk you through how to quickly find the best PSCs for your business. Let's start at the beginning. There are two codes you need to know for government contracting. One is the NAICS code. NAICS codes are 6-digit numbers and identify your industry. The second is the PSC or product service code. The PSC is 4 numbers or letters and describes what you sell, the product or service your company provides. So how do you find your PSCs? Well, you can go to the acquisition.gov website and look through the PSC manual, and I've put a link in the notes below. But I'm going to show you a real simple way to look up the PSC codes that buyers are actually using for the type of work that you do. To start, we go to the sam.gov website and we click on Search. Under Select Domain, I'm going to hit Contract Opportunities. I want to search for current opportunities, so under dates, I'm going to select next 3 months. Under notice type, I'm going to select combined synopsis. And under product or service information, I'm going to enter one of my NAICS codes. And here on the right, you see a list of current contract opportunities in the NAICS code that I entered. Now, click on the title to see the detailed information about the contract opportunity. Now, on this page, you'll find lots of information, a detailed description, as well as a point of contact. But what I want to show you is here under Classification. You'll see the product and service code listed. If the contract looks like a fit for you, then copy down the PSC code they use here. So you'll want to go through that list of opportunities, find the ones that are up your alley, and write down the PSC code listed for each one. Depending on what you do, you might end up with a list of 4 or more different PSCs that are being used to describe what you do. And one last thing, I get asked all the time, can I add codes to my SAM registration? Yes, you can add more codes whenever you want. For example, you may come across a solicitation that's perfect for you, but it uses a code that you haven't listed in your SAM profile. You can go back into your SAM registration and add that code. It's no problem. And friends, please remember that it is completely free to use all the websites I've shown you. You don't need to pay someone to do this for you. If you have questions, post them in the comments below and I'll respond as soon as I can. And also, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see in future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.